Hey guys, it's me without Timo. Oh.
I do what I want to do.
Okay, it's time to PvP. Let's go, dude. Let's go! Woohoo! 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 Let's go to Filipino, bro.
Welcome to Mobile
Finally.
Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Why don't you just surrender? The abyss is home to me. Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Blood.
Am I a
An enemy has been slain.
an orc?
You have slain an enemy.
Yay! Woohoo! Let's go, dude!
Let me take you to another world.
Holy shit! Get out! Get out!
You have slain an enemy.
Yoo-hoo! Woo! Woo-hoo!
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
Killing spree.
Yay!
Should have let Famas teach you how to fight.
Initiate retreat.
Nah. Your strategies are pitiful.
What the heck is Chucky? Holy shit.
Should have let Famas.
Strike the ball.
Yeah!
Let me take you to another world.
Mega kill. An ally has slain the turtle.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
Monster kill. Wipe out.
The abyss is home to me. Why don't you just surrender?
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Get out.
You destroyed turret. Launch attack.
Yes.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Get out!
Let me take you to another world.
Ally has been slain.
The abyss is home to me.
Ally has been slain.
Let's go, dude.
I will do anything for the abyss.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Destroy the turret. Attack. Godlike. Double kill.
Should have let Thanos teach you how to fight.
Triple kill.
Who would recognize someone as
Why are you doing it to me?
your strategies are
to my powder?
pitiful?
Our turret is under attack.
How dare you? What the fuck?
Why don't you just surrender?
Turret. Launch attack.
Thanks so much and please subscribe and like a video. Alright, goodbye. What the fuck?